Hi and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley Haul Kinda Girl. I'm so excited, guys. I have this month's Ipsy for August 2019. Let's just get into this right away. Ipsy is $10 a month, guys. You get 5 to 6 beauty samples for literally just $10. So in every single month you will receive a cute little makeup bag. This month this has this beautiful winter green, very, very dark green little cosmetic bag. It is absolutely just such an amazing, beautiful color. And then on the inside, it will be always pink that I have gotten. I don't know if anybody has gotten other colors, but this is just so beautiful. So I did receive this cute little bag. Okay, let's get into the first products. They sent me Rest Recipe Blueberry Mask and Rest Recipe, it's kind of hard to say, Peach Mask. So this is Kamelako, and this is a Korean beauty care. This is just so cool. It says clarifying mask contains peach extract for fresh, clear skin. So basically, you guys only have to put it on and put it on for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is made in Korea. And let's see, it's distributed from Brooklyn, New York. So these are pretty cool. Now, I'm going to read about these really fast so you guys can know information. It just says, sorry about the glare. This K-beauty brand is also known for its organic, innovative skincare products made from 100% natural cotton. This set of blueberry and peach infused and scented masks moisturize, revitalize, and clarify your complexion while delivering a healthy nutrients to your skin. So cool. So I'm pretty excited about trying these out. So excited. You know, Ipsy does send some really great stuff. So I'm really happy about this. Then we have this Pixie by Petra. So it came in this cute little packaging with a little bubble wrap. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up now. Wow, this is such an amazing, beautiful blush, guys. Like, look at how beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, swatch it, all that fun stuff. But just even looking at it like this through the camera, it is absolutely an amazing color. So on the back, let's see what it says. Okay, so this is called Fresh Face Blush Peach Parfait. So there is a 0.16 ounces, which is 4.5 grams. This is actually a huge sample. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and swatch it for you guys right now. Okay, so when I opened it, look at how cute that is. They have it indented in the blush, like how it says Pixie by Petra. It says it in here too, which is so cute. So I'm going to go around that just because I don't want to mess it up right away. But that is so pretty. I mean, sometimes I even use blush as like a base for my eyeshadow. So I don't know, everybody's different, but sometimes I do use the blush because it's such like beautiful colors. So I went ahead and swatched this. This is very beautiful, very highly pigmented. Such a beautiful blush because it has like that shimmer. So beautiful. I mean, it even looks really pretty in the container as well. It probably looks better in the container than on my arm. But that is such a beautiful color. So let's go ahead and read about this and see what it says. All right. We got Pixie by Petra Fresh Face Blush and Peach Parfait. Made by a working mom of 4. This brand's all about multitasking products that cut down on your prep time. Sounds fun to me. This peachy pink blush has a light golden sheen and it blends easily and evenly, so there's no streakness no matter how quickly you blush up. Cool. So just so you guys know, it's kind of hard to read through the camera, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, that color is amazing. The only thing about Ipsy I don't like is they're not going to tell you how much the full prices are for the items, so you will have to look them up yourselves. I'm not sure what they're going for, but they are just amazing products as it is. Okay, so the next item they sent me is It Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion, oil-free for all skin types. hydro plumping, skin transforming, weightless moisturizer, 72-hour hydration. This is literally right up my alley. Something I totally need. And let me see how many ounces are in here or whatever. Let's see. Okay, so this is a very small sample. There is only 0.17 fluid ounce. Again, guys, we're getting little tiny samples just to see if we like the product. And if you do, you can order it. Now, let's read about this. All right, we have the It Cosmetics in Confidence and Gel Lotion Moisturizer. Made by plastic surgeons and derms, this brand's clinically tested products are highly effective and healthy for your skin. The oil-free lotion is made of ceramides and cactus flower extract to smooth skin, prime before makeup, and hydrate for 72 hours. This is exactly what I was looking for. When I want to prime, before I prime my makeup, I would love to use some kind of oil-free because that's my problem I have. So anything oil-free, I'm there. So I'm really excited about trying out this product. Very, very cool. All right, let's get into the next item. I love this brand, Ico. This is one of the best brands that I've been using for a very long time. It just says established in 1999, Beach. Waterproof mascara, vacay and volume. So it's just this really awesome mascara. Our volumizing wave brush sweeps up lashes for maximum coverage. Lift and curl and take you from beach to bar. Cool. So this is a small sample. Again, it's about as small as the 0.17 ounces. Let me just see how many is in here. Okay, so there's 2 milliliter, which is 0.06 ounces. I'm going to go ahead and open this up to show you guys the wand. Okay, so the wand is pretty big. So I'm trying to zoom in. I'm so sorry. Let's zoom out and then zoom in. This is a pretty nice big wand. So I'm really excited about trying this as well. So let's go ahead and read about it. We have the Ico Beach Waterproof Mascara. This melt-proof mascara will take you from the beach to the bar without bulging, smudging, or flaking. The formula is loaded with coconut oil to help smooth, sunscreen to protect, the fruit abstracts to condition your lashes, while the wave brush creates a dramatic volume and length. Now, the next sample of the eyeshadow is absolutely beautiful, you guys. This is called Estate. This is ombres and something else because it's in another language and I'm so sorry. But this is called Pipe. The name of the eyeshadow is called Pipe and it's so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this, but look at how amazing this color is. It's like a copper. It kind of is just so shimmery, so beautiful. Let's see how it goes on the skin. Wow, I absolutely just fell in love with this color Pipe from Estate. Look at how beautiful that color is, guys. It's not even like showing how beautiful it actually looks. I am so happy with everything this month from Ipsy. And I just want to say thank you guys so much. I really enjoy everybody coming to my channel, you know, writing me positivity. I'm all about being positive. Like I tell you guys all the time, I am not a perfect person. I literally try to become a better person every single day. And I think that's all that matters. If you are trying to become a better person, you're not going back to your old ways, you know, yada, yada, yada. So a lot of people have something to say about the endings of my videos, but that's just how I feel. That's who I am, and I'm not going to change that for anybody. And with that said, guys, like I always say, you seriously cannot take care of anybody in this whole entire world, not even a cat, not even a dog, not even a bird, until you take care of yourself. You can't even take care of a fish if you can't take care of yourself properly. So do yourself a favor, take care of yourself, take care of your mind, your body, your soul, and then go and help other people. It's not worth it dragging yourself in the mud, in the dirt, and then at the end, nobody cares that you even helped them. Just stay true to yourself, guys, and stay true to what you guys like to do. I love you guys all. Even if you're not a subscriber, you guys know I love you. I appreciate my comments, the views, and please, 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 even if you dislike this video, hit dislike, or please give me a like, whatever you feel. because when you guys hit the like or dislike button, it literally helps my videos circulate through the internet. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like these kind of videos and you're new, I'm going to be putting these videos out every single month. Love you guys. Oh, this is how fancy girls put their lipstick on.